Hello, Mr. Whiteboard. So the only reason why I can be totally sure that it won't attack me is Hi everyone, my name is Peter and welcome to Forest Jump. In today's video I'm gonna share you some tips and tricks to how to do your first solo overnight camping. And the most authentic way to present you my ideas will be my first solo overnight camping. Now, I have been camping for a couple of times already, but I never was totally alone. This is the first time. So we can try out my ideas and in the morning we can jump to a conclusion whether my ideas was good or wrong. Let's figure it out. So tip number 1, choosing the location. Now, on your first solo camping, you want to feel safe, right? So I'm suggesting to find the place what you know already. I have been here for a couple of times for camping. This place is right next to a farm in the forest. And you have to ask for a permission to be here, but I have asked it already. So I suggest to choose a place that you know already. Tip number 2 is also about the location. I'm suggesting to choose a place that you can reach by car pretty much easily, and you can park very close to your camp, because you will definitely bring too much stuff with you. That's for sure. But you also can go for hiking if you want, and this is what I will do. Just what you can do is to go around hike and come back to your car, and then you can start to build your camp. This is exactly what I will do now. So let's discover the surrounding area. Hello, Mr. Whiteboard. So the only reason why I can be totally sure that it won't attack me is this fence between us. And this brings us to tip number 3. Leave alone the forest animals, and in general, respect the nature. Okay, I'm back at the camp, and I wanted to say that I will need to bring some firewood, but check this. I think I will be fine. Okay, tip number 4. Never leave your rubbish in the camp. Never. Okay, tip number 5, campfire. In my experience, the easiest way to do it is to put the bigger logs on the bottom, some smaller ones on top of it, and then the smallest one on the top, and put the fire starter under the smaller ones. I don't have really small ones now, so I will need to create some. Let's go. Preferably use the ones that are already on the ground, so you don't have to break them off from living trees. Okay, tip number 6. In case you are planning to grill your food, then instead of creating the biggest possible campfire, first I will make the position of these stones to be able to put my grilling equipment on it. And if it's big enough, then I start to build the campfire. Okay, the campfire is working, so tip number, I guess, 6, set up the tent before it gets dark. Okay, it's big enough, so I think it will do. Okay, campfire is going, tent is standing, so it's time to prepare the food now. Okay, first I will need a cutting board. Okay, but a real Hungarian style, not this small one. The meat has already been prepared at home. It is swimming in oil, garlic and some spices. And this brings us to tip number, I guess, 7. If you put the meat to oil and some spices and garlic, then it can help to keep its freshness in hot summer days. And here can you see the end result. It was delicious. I ate the other meat and the other vegetables already, so this is what has been left. Okay, I'm done with the dinner, as you can see, but I have seen a little, I don't know, weasel kind of animal, so I will put away everything that is related to food. I will put them to the car, and I hope that it won't attract any more animals, and then see you in the tent. Okay guys, I'm in the tent already. I'm ready to sleep. Dinner was delicious. The location is also really good. My only problem is that unfortunately the sky is very cloudy, so I couldn't see the stars. But otherwise it was a wonderful experience. See you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning everyone. If you are watching this, that means that I have survived the night. It was a very unique experience to spend my night outside totally alone, and I also have one last tip for you. You should inflate your air mattress and prepare your sleeping bag before it gets dark, because I have forgot this yesterday. So I had to do it right before I went to sleep. But that's it. Otherwise, the location was good. The weather was pretty much good, but it was very cloudy at night, so I couldn't see the stars. That's what I feel sorry about. But in conclusion, I recommend this experience to everyone. I highly suggest to try it out at least once in your life, because it will be a very unique experience. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave your comment below. If you want to see my other adventures, then click here or here. Otherwise, see you outside. Bye.